In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Bitbucket repository for beginners. Let's start by signing in. Open your browser and head to the Bitbucket login page. If you already use Atlassian products, this will feel familiar. On the login screen, choose the option to continue with Google. This is a quick, secure way to sign in without creating a separate password. Pick the Google account you want to use. If you're prompted for verification, complete it to finish signing in. Once you're in Bitbucket, go to your workspace overview. From here, look for the Create Repository option. Depending on your layout, this might be a button in the header or in the sidebar. Click it to open the repository setup form. First, add a project name. Projects help you group related repositories, so choose something that reflects your team or product area. You can select an existing project or create a new one if you're just starting out. Next, enter the repository name. This is the unique identifier for your code. Keep it short, descriptive, and consistent. Lowercase letters with hyphens is a common convention. For example, website API or mobile app. Avoid spaces and special characters. Now adjust the access level. Private means only people you invite can see the repository. This is the safest default for most teams. Public makes it visible to anyone on the internet, which is great for open source projects. Pick the one that matches your needs and your organization's policy. Set the default branch name. Most teams use main today, though some legacy projects still use master. The default branch is where finished work lands and what pull requests usually target, so choose the name your team expects. Open advanced settings to fine-tune things. Add a clear description so collaborators immediately understand the purpose of the repository. If available in your plan, you can enable features like a README, a .jit ignore, tailored to your language or framework, a license, issue tracking, or a wiki. A concise description and a README are especially helpful for onboarding teammates later. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. Bitbucket will set it up and take you to the new repository's homepage. You'll see quick start instructions with commands to clone the repo to your machine or push an existing project. Copy the clone URL you prefer. HTTPS is simple to start with, while SSH is convenient once your keys are set up. From here, you're ready to add files, create branches, and start collaborating. That's it, you've created a Bitbucket repository from scratch. If you found this helpful, follow along for more beginner-friendly version control tutorials.